welcome back to another video. So today we need to clean the kitchen, but in order to do that we desperately need to clean out the pantry and the fridge. I haven't cleaned out the fridge in probably 6 months, and the pantry's probably been 3 months. So sorry if you hear the dryer in the background. We're also doing clothes. So yeah, let me show you what kind of mess we're working with in the pantry. I'm not ready for this, are you? Let's see. Alright, so here's my embarrassment. Oh, sorry. So we just have crap shoved here. It was organized, like I said, like 3 months ago, but you know. So we have just crap shoved here, here, there. It's not so bad down here, but these 3 shelves, they need some work. So let's go ahead and get started. So this is our after. We have basically just breads and salad stuff up here. And then down here, I didn't really get in here and organize. But we just have our sides like macaroni and pasta. Then over here we have canned goods. I need a bigger basket for the cans. And then down here we just have all things breakfast. And then down here on the bottom shelf we have all things snacks. Muffins for the kids, some dip bars, Nutri-Grain bars, and crackers. And then over here we have more crackers. And as you can tell, I didn't really get down here, but there's nothing really down there. Just some M&Ms and empty buckets, tea, and some oatmeal. Alright, let's move on to the fridge. Oh yeah, one more thing. I wanted to show you what I pulled out of here to throw away. So these are ice cream cones from last summer. Empty box. Cranberry sauce that never got ate for from Thanksgiving. Cereal that's been in there for 3 months. Chips that's just about empty. Almost empty thing of cashews. And then this special K cereal that's been in there for 3 months and not been touched. So I'm going to get that thrown away, and then we will work on the fridge. Okay, so this is the fridge mess. It's not as bad as the pantry, but it definitely needs some attention. So let's go ahead and give her that much needed attention. so here is how the fridge turned out. It looks a whole lot better. Not perfect, but better. Oops, I need to put the milk back in here. And this right here is the box of stuff we're getting rid of. That's either almost gone or out of date. So yeah, we did pretty good. We got a whole Mountain Dew box filled. Alright, now let's just go ahead and tackle the rest of the kitchen. So the last thing we're going to work on before we finish up is sweeping. We got her done. I'm all sweaty. Did you sweat any? I saw this meme once. It said, what do you do for exercise? And it was like, I have 3 kids, or I'm a stay-at-home mom. I don't think there's nothing more close to the truth than that. But anyway, I hope I was able to motivate you guys. If you haven't worked on your pantry or fridge in 3 months like I hadn't, go ahead and get that done today. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, y'all.